Today in this video I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro hard reset pattern unlock. Press and hold the power button until the phone switches off. Simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds. Use the volume buttons to scroll down in recovery mode until you find wipe data or factory reset. Press the power button to select it. Select wipe all data and confirm by pressing the power button. After the data wipe is complete, use the volume buttons to navigate back to the main menu of recovery mode. Select reboot to system and confirm by pressing the power button. Allow the phone to reboot. This will erase all data and reset the phone to its original settings. After the reset is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.